In front of me is REALME GT8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. And before doing anything, hit Change Settings at the bottom. Then make sure this switcher next to Show when locked is enabled. Without it, your contacts won't be accessible from a locked screen. So when you're absolutely sure this feature is on, you can go back and hit Add Contact to start adding your numbers. Just click on the one you wanna set up. And then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. When you're done, you can edit this list by clicking on those three dots next to any contact you wanna manage, and either hit Remove to get rid of it, or select Move Up, Move Down options to move it on your emergency contact list. Either way, when you're done, you can go back and check it out by blocking your screen. So block it, switch it back on, swipe up, and tap on Emergency SOS under your screen lock. Then you need to hold this icon here and swipe it to the right. Like that. Let go and check out your emergency contacts. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!